A drop of adhesive, connecting the world, opening the future. At YG Group, our modern full industry chain system never stops evolving. Everything we do is driven by one goal: to create superior hot melt adhesives. With outstanding performance and consistent quality, YG Group hot melt adhesives have become a key enabler in multiple manufacturing industries. Hot melt pressure-sensitive adhesives serving multiple industries. Label production. Strong adhesion and die-cut resistance, firmly sticks to various surfaces. Tape manufacturing, high tack and weather resistance, reliable for both industrial and daily use. Waterproof materials, excellent waterproof and heat-resistant performance, easily withstands harsh environments. Hygiene products, soft and skin-friendly adhesion, protecting health with every bond. Hot melt glue sticks, melts quickly in just 3 seconds and adapts to various materials including paper, fabric, plastic, wood. Boost efficiency for both handcrafting and industrial assembly. EVA bulk hot melt, uniform particle size and stable melting performance. Widely used in packaging, air filtration, furniture, electronics, automotive interior industries. YG Group hot melt adhesives bonding not just products, but quality and trust. With low carbon and eco-friendly technologies, YG Group is committed to sustainable development and a greener planet. A drop of adhesive, a force of innovation. YG hot melt adhesives bonding technology with the infinite possibilities of the future.